What if clouds were made of cotton candy? Would it rain sugar? Would the sky smell like strawberries? And would we all carry forks instead of umbrellas? Let's find out on RadKidz. Why Not Wonders. Imagine waking up, looking out your window, and seeing big, pink, fluffy clouds floating over your house. Sweet! Literally, you run outside with your mouth open, and bam! A sprinkle storm hits. Gummy bears fall from the sky. The ground turns into a sticky, sugary mess. Uh-oh, here come the ants, millions of them, marching in line like they own the place. Ants love sugar. So now your street, it's Ant City, population too many. Okay, pause the silliness. Can clouds actually be made of cotton candy? Well, not really. Let's break it down. Real clouds are made of teeny tiny water droplets. They float in the sky because they're super light. But cotton candy? That stuff is made of sugar. And sugar is heavy, sticky, and melty. If clouds were really made of cotton candy, they'd melt in the sunlight. They'd fall to the ground. They'd be a total mess. But get this, a single real cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. That's like 200 elephants. Whoa, so yeah, clouds can't be candy. But hey, it's still fun to imagine. Let's try one more silly experiment. What if you built a trampoline on top of a cotton candy cloud? Boing! You jump up and your foot sinks right through. Sticky feet. Now you're falling. But wait, a giant marshmallow parachute catches you. Phew, thanks science. So, what did we learn? Real clouds are made of water, not sugar. Cotton candy clouds sound yummy, but they wouldn't float, and they'd attract a lot of bugs. Still, it's fun to wonder. Next time on Why Not Wonders, what if ice cream never melted? Science is delicious. Bye-bye, curious minds.